first car isn't a lot of money.
Hi, it's Saturday morning. We got our cars all lined up, gassed up. We're ready to go to Sobering's car show, charity car show. We don't have any more drivers, so we can't bring any more cars. So hopefully there's going to be lots of cars there. Dan from Double D Speed Shop is supposed to be there, and Halfass Customs is supposed to be there with a couple cars. There's the bums.
Apparently we're off to some sort of Sobering car show.
Yeah, apparently.
They woke me up this morning for this car show. I should still be sleeping right now. Then I got to go to work after that. That's the bacon plant down there I got to go work at. Bacon?
People aren't going to be too mad about that. It's bacon.
Like their bacon.
Yeah.
We're going to Taco Bell for breakfast. Well, what are we doing for breakfast?
I guess they got food there apparently.
Okay.
I might stop into town there and grab a bag of chips or something.
Yeah.
I haven't eaten yet. Alrighty, I guess we should get going.
Yeah, on the road again.
Oh, and by the way, there will be an upcoming video of a new purchase of a vehicle. Hey. I came to.
Hey, on the highway to Sobering's car show. And I forgot to say, even I believe Bobo from Coastal Auto Reaction in BC has flown in for this one. So that's pretty good. Had to stop on the highway and disconnect my speedometer. So it's a little chilly and it was making a lot of racket and flopping all over the place, so I didn't want to damage it. So I'll hook that up later. I don't know if I can point it in the right direction, but you might see a 55 Chevy in the back. Driving an old hot rod, or an old car, that's for sure. That's the sort of what I like. It doesn't drive like a new car. That's why I've never. I don't like the cars where they put in a new chassis, new suspension in it, new steering. If you want a new car like that, buy a new Camaro or a Dodge. This is the way to travel, in my opinion. St. Pierre-Jolie in Manitoba.
I know.
Large?
What are you, Logan?
Said one for now, one for later.
He's growing. Doesn't he not make chip?
Yeah.
Give him an upset stomach.
Is that your breakfast?
Yes, it's hand sanitized case.
There's a good breakfast.
Breakfast for champions.
Hickory sticks are very salty.
Cookies.
They don't got them in the States, though, so a lot of them won't know what you're talking about. They're basically
No.
just bacon salt. Very salty. Do they even have cheesies down there like the Hawkins? I don't know.
No.
That's another Canadian thing.
They have Cheetos.
Yeah, Cheetos aren't bad, but Cheez-Its are more crunchier.
Chris has an answer for everything.
You tell the people they haven't harvested corn yet, Chris, across the field here. Lots of corn down here this year.
I think
Yeah, I'm gonna film you eating.
He took a lot of banana peppers. I think the police are here to check to see why there's so many banana peppers. The cops were right over there.
Yeah.
I think they're going to investigate him shortly here.
Could be. Lots of cars. And we got Dan from Double D. Very good turnout.
How rude.
Sobering's car show. It's an excellent turnout. I think over 100 cars easily. Lots of great people. The Sobering guys were excellent. The guys from Coastal Auto Reaction were driving around in a golf cart doing live streaming and making videos. It's pretty cool. Dan from Double D he just left with us. He's up front in his 57 Chevy convertible. We saw Halfass Customs there. He brought a couple cars on with him. So it's a lot. There's a lot to see. Good food and a lot of auction prizes, pinstriping displays, and everything was cool. I got to see a lot of cars that normally I don't see. This is out of the city where we normally cruise, so a lot of different cars. I'm just following Corey in his 55 Pontiac right now. That was a great afternoon. So thanks for watching, and like, share, and subscribe, and go check out the other guys' channels also. Especially Sobering restorations, Halfass Customs, DD Speed Shop, and of course Coastal Auto Reaction out of BC. They flew out all the way out here for the show. It was pretty cool. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.